What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today I am going to be teaching you how to build an American flag cutting board. As you can see, if you've been a subscriber for a while, this is not my shop. This is actually John's shop. John, say hi. Hello. John, as you know, is the editor. So we took a trip to his place, and we're building some stuff in his shop today. So without further ado, let's build an American flag cutting board.
What's up, guys? The shop's a little loud, so I'm going to do some voiceover for Pete. These are black walnut. These first few are 5/8 inches thick and 16 inches long. The exact same measurement for these pieces of maple. The smaller cuts are 9.5 inches long and the exact same width, which is 5/8 of an inch. And we have 3 cuts of maple, the same size as the last ones. And we have a block of black walnut that is 4.5 by 7 inches. Pete started by just taking his longer cuts of walnut and maple and gluing them in an alternating pattern. You're going to do the exact same thing with the shorter pieces. Go ahead and clamp that up. Then Pete's going to run both these pieces through the planer a few times, and I'm going to throw it back to Pete here.
Alright, so now you've got the bottom stripes and the top stripes all glued up and planed. So now what we're going to do is we're going to glue this to this, but first we need to square off this piece on the miter saw.
Pete meant to say the miter sled here. Let us know if you guys would like a tutorial on the miter sled. After that, it just comes down to gluing the 3 separate pieces together. This is not too bad of a job if you have enough clamps for it. Boom, bam, bop. After that's all glued together and dried, he's going to plane this entire board. Looking pretty good if you ask me. Then Pete just squares up the whole board on the table saw. Back to the miter sled here. While Pete is putting together the finishing touches on this project, I just want to take a second and thank you guys for the support recently. The channel's been growing really quickly and me and Pete are pretty thrilled about that. If you're not already subscribed and you enjoy woodworking content, we would love you to consider hitting that subscribe button, and thank you again for all the support. Back to you, Pete.
Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. I do not have sandpaper or mineral oil here to finish it off, but when I get home, I'm going to go over it with 120 sandpaper, make my way up to 220 grit, and then go over it with mineral oil 2 coats. Thank you to John for letting me use his shop.
Anytime, buddy.
But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. That is how you make this awesome American flag cutting board. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.